What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Mean Genius Dioramas. Hope y'all had good holidays. And as we approach the end of the year, I thought it'd be a good idea to just show y'all my entire collection of figures and dioramas. So let me know what you guys think. And yeah, thank you for watching. Now onto my terminal power Dio and figures. that brings us to the end of the video, everyone. I hope you guys like my collection, my dioramas. Again, I have 80 of them, including like third-party figures. And I look forward to growing my collection even bigger in 2025. Thank you all for watching. It's been me, Gene Dioramas, and I'll see you guys soon.